Okay, daily chore. We're going to go for the bugs because we already fished for today. So this little video is about the daily chore for bug catching. We're going for the bugs. I am going to make a flimsy net. That's going to be my today to do. My catching as much as possible with the just one flimsy net. If it's up, so if it's poofed, then that is the chore of that day. So now I am going to look for the bugs, and mostly if I can remember, because it's been a long time that we really did some bug catching on this island, and the season is also changed. I can see that. Then you can approximately have 10 bugs with one flimsy net, and it can vary a little, but we can see how much we can catch. So I'm looking for all kinds of bugs. I'm not going to dig because you can hear the sound. There is a sound. Saba is with me and she's talkative and she's going to talk to us. And she's going to be sweet. She's asking very loudly my attention. I am going to save the bugs, the fishes, or at least what I don't donate, because I do need to donate what I can donate, because I don't think I really donated a lot. There's also a butterfly model I saw. But there's sometimes you hear a cricket sound. That cricket sound means that there's a cricket in the ground that you can dig up. But then you need to have your shovel and then your net. Because you first need to find it, and that takes sometimes already a lot. Now we made the tulip farm. Everybody is hearing you. You're not alone. She's pushing a button. She wants so much attention that she's pushing a button. I also have some decorations for the sewing area here. I picked that up from an island. That's another one. I do have from the common butterfly already a model I saw. I had some patches here because I need to have more vegetable patches. She's angry with me now. That I'm not paying attention to her. Ah, there's another butterfly. So I absolutely have no idea what I already donated on this island. So I'm just going to go and at one point and see what I can donate from what I have in my pocket. But I think the season change will also give new bugs. And that is a possibility. I still need to do the lily farm. So we still have one farm to go. Now, missing. Okay, let it go because I already have that for a few times. 4 times already. I'm hoping for something new. And we also still need to start. You can hear the sound. That sound means that there's a bug in the floor. But I'm not going to dig that out. I still need to place balls and fences. I am going to pick up the shells because I'm in the neighborhood. We didn't even fish on this side because our net already broke. Okay, I think I'm going to get a reaction. Oh yay, heartbreak reaction. I need to start using my reactions more. I'm gonna let this one go as well because my pocket was full. I am going to see if I can donate something because then my pocket won't be so full. I see a creepy crawler there as well. I'm gonna switch that one out with the butterfly. Because I already had 4. Now that was also my last bug catching for today. I have also some fossils in my pocket. So we're going to close down here the video and then we're going to make a video of going to the museum, including also for the fossils. So I'm going to go 2 times to the museum because I have now fossils and I will dig up the new fossils. But for this video I'm going to say bye bye. See you next time.